The Megachef Triple 2.5 Quart Slow Cooker is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen, offering triple the cooking capacity in one convenient unit. Available in a stylish black and copper color combination, it adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. Constructed with durable stainless steel, ceramic, and glass components, this slow cooker is built to last. The combination of materials ensures even heat distribution and reliable performance, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. With a generous size of 2.5 quarts per pot and 3 pots in total, you have ample space to prepare multiple meals or dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for entertaining or meal prepping. Each pot operates at 1000 watts and 120 volts, providing efficient cooking power to effortlessly cook your favorite recipes. The Megachef Triple Slow Cooker is not only practical but also versatile. Whether you're simmering soups, braising meats, or keeping appetizers warm for a party, this appliance can handle it all with ease. Overall, the Megachef Triple 2.5 Quart Slow Cooker offers convenience, efficiency, and style in one package. Its triple pot design, sturdy construction, and powerful performance make it a must-have for busy households and culinary enthusiasts alike.